Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on high performance mode on Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to press on your keyboard Windows plus R. Now here you have to type for power cfg.cpl. Then click on OK. If you see here high performance or ultra high performance plan, and once you selected it, congratulations, you have selected the high performance. If you don't have like me, then go to this change plan settings. Now go to change advanced power setting. Now here you have to search for processor power management. Go for it. Now here you can see minimum processor state and maximum processor state. In minimum processor state, your battery should be 0 to 5%. And maximum processor state, your battery should be 100%. That's it. So this is how to turn on high performance mode on Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.